Okay, I just uploaded that video and also see the mama bird right there. Hey there. Do you want me to leave you alone? I'm gonna leave you alone. Yeah. That's fine. If I get to 100 subscribers, which is over 10 subscribers, then I'll do a face review. I had like 10 subscribers at one point, but then my dad and my mom delete all of the videos. Oh no, the bug is dead. That's so sad. A few months ago, my dad made my mom delete all of the videos because he heard some news thing. Because he heard like some news stuff. But my mom misheard him and deleted all of the videos. Even the ones without my face in it, which is annoying, but I don't really mind. Bye.